So, hello everyone. We are going to do grammar focus. Okay, we did that conversation, Derek and Amy. So, we are going to study how do we use helping verbs. Okay, and plus we are going to study today a story about Rosa and understand how do we use subjects with different helping verbs. How do we read? Okay, how do we stress on important information? But before that, we'll just finish this grammar focus. So we did that conversation, Derek and Amy. I'll just repeat the conversation once. Okay, Amy, what do you do, Derek? I work part time as a server. Oh, really? What restaurant do you work at? So see, at क्या है preposition, work at. I work at Stella's Cafe downtown. That's cool. How do you like it? कैसा लगता है आपको अपना job, right? It's okay. ठीक है. That's cool. I am on my feet all day. तो ये क्या है? Expression. So I'm always tired. What do you do? I'm a dancer. A dancer? How exciting. Yeah, it's great. I work with incredible people. So that's the information. Incredible people. Okay? That sounds really nice. ये भी क्या है? Expression. Wow, that sounds good. That sounds great. But is it difficult? तो जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो ऐसे पूछते हैं, is it difficult? Is it hard? Okay, is it easy? A little. I'm on my feet all day too. Again, ये भी एक expression है. But I love it. So see, from this conversation, we are going to study how do we use helping verbs with different subjects. Like for example, seen here, with he, she and it, we always use verb 1 plus s. Okay, it's just a trick. I've written it like this. That means work के साथ हमें s जोड़ना है. Okay, he works. He works at Stella's downtown cafe. I work at. We work at. तो I, we, you के साथ क्या यूज होता है? First form of the verb. First form of the verb means present form of the verb. I work, I cook, I play. यहाँ ed भी नहीं लगता है, ing भी नहीं लगता है, s भी नहीं लगता है. I plays नहीं होगा. Okay? I plays no. I play piano. But she plays piano. I travel. I travel now and then. She travels. S लगेगा. Okay? She travels. So this is what they have taught you in here in the grammar focus. I will attach this in the description box. Okay? See, for example, first one. What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? I am a student. क्या है? I am a student. I have a part-time job. तो I के साथ क्या helping verb use हो रहा है विनोद? Have. I have a part-time job too. I work at Global Heights. I work at Stella's Cafe. Okay? I work at Aryan Cafe. Where do you work? Okay, now, where do you work? आप कहाँ काम करते हो? WH question. Again, same thing what we had studied. Where, question tag, do, helping verb, work, main verb. Where do you work? Oh, I work at a restaurant. Subject I हो गया. I work at Stella's Cafe. I work at Arden's Cafe. Where does she work? अभी she के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो क्या लगाएंगे? Does. Where does she work? Where do she work नहीं होगा. Where do she work? No. She do work here. Wrong. ऐसा नहीं होगा. She does. She doesn't speak English. She doesn't work here. वो यहाँ काम नहीं करती. She doesn't. He doesn't work here. वो यहाँ काम नहीं करता. Oh, he works here. कैसा होगा? He works here. Okay? Where do you go to school? अभी आप कहाँ जाते हो स्कूल में? Okay? Again, यहाँ पर देखो go जो है main verb है. Okay, do is also helping verb over there. To क्या है? Preposition. To मतलब किस तरफ आप जाते हो? Where do you work? Where do you go? Okay. Where do you go to school? I go to University of Texas. कैसा है इसका आंसर? Subject प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब आई गो, ओके। इसके बाद गो हेल्पिंग वर्ब की जगह उन्होंने मेन वर्ब लगाया है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन वर्ब, देन preposition, देन फिर द सिचुएशन। आई गो टू द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास, कहाँ जाता है वो? टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास, ओके, टू द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास। द हम क्यों लगा रहे हैं यहां पर? क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी एक यूनिक अपने आप में बॉडी है, तभी हम बोलते हैं ना द यूनिवर्सिटी, द टाइटैनिक, ओके, यूनिक है, इसलिए हम वहां पर द लगाते हैं। पर कोई ऐसा कैजुअल सा है, अ ग्लोब, अ रिमोट, ओके, नो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिमोट, उस पर्टिकुलर चीज, उस स्पेसिफिक चीज के बारे में बात कर रही हूं मैं, तब हम द लगाते हैं। अ हम कब लगाते हैं? जब हम कैजुअल चीज, अ बॉय, अ गर्ल, कोई था, कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं था, कोई पर्टिकुलर नहीं था। पर द यूनिवर्सिटी मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर, द गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी, ओके, द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास, द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, ओके, इट्स समथिंग यूनिक, स्पेसिफिक, कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में बात कर रही हूं मैं। क्लियर पंकज? वॉट डज एमी डू? अभी देखो डज आ गया, एमी के साथ डज, ही शी इट के साथ वी यूज डज, ओके। शी इज अ डांसर, शी वर्क्स एट अ डांस कंपनी। हाउ डज शी लाइक इट? उसे अपना वर्क कैसा लगता है? शी लव्स इट। लव के साथ क्या आ गया अगेन? एस, लव्स। शी ट्रेवल्स, शी प्लेज, शी लव्स, शी वर्क्स, ओके। So we use these types of helping verbs. You can see in here, she studies, she teaches, she goes, she has long hair. So these types of helping verbs and main verbs we use with he, she and it. Is it clear? It's very, very important, this chapter. Okay? Did you understand? So with I, you, we, they के साथ हम verb one use करते हैं. I work, you work, we work, they work. But he, she, it के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Works, plays. Okay? She works, he works. Okay? They works नहीं होगा. They work. Okay? Always remember here many students make mistake, they के साथ works लगा देंगे, नहीं, they work, okay, they don't know English, she doesn't know English, okay, उसको English नहीं आते। Is that clear? Okay, कभी हम ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे she don't know English, wrong, okay, she doesn't know English, she go to the market, right है कि wrong? अब बताओ, she go to the market, विनोद wrong है कि right है ये? Wrong, क्या होगा? Very good, she goes to the market, okay, वो market जाती है। she के साथ क्या लगाया मैंने? she goes to the market, okay, she doesn't, she do shopping, right है कि wrong? she do shopping, wrong है right? Wrong, she does shopping, okay, she doesn't go for shopping, okay, is that clear? She speak English, right है कि wrong? she speak English, she speaks English, wrong, okay, she speak English नहीं होगा, she speaks English. oh, you speak English, ये right है कि wrong? you speak English, right है कि wrong? right, you speak English. do they speak French, right है कि wrong? do they speak French? correct, because they के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? speak, they speak, they work, okay, do you work here, right है कि wrong? right, do, okay, do I work here, ये मैं अपने बारे में पूछती हूँ, yes of course I work here, I के साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? V1, okay, he she it के साथ हम लगाएंगे S, just remember this, I hope it's clear, okay.